Okay, so now that we've talked about what a solution is and the different components of a solution, we need to talk about solubility. So, solubility is the amount of substance that dissolves in a given volume of solvent at a given temperature. So, solubility really varies depending on the volume of solvent used and the temperature of the solvent. And you've probably seen this. If you heat up a cup of water, you can dissolve more salt than if you were to dissolve some salt, when that water is cold. So we have what's called the general rule for solubility. And that general rule for solubility is like dissolves like. So remember in the last video we talked about water being a polar molecule. So polar solvents dissolve polar solutes. And nonpolar solvents dissolve nonpolar solutes. So nonpolar molecules have an equal charge distribution where polar molecules have an unequal charge distribution. And we'll talk more about nonpolar molecules in a later video. But first, let's talk about the composition of solutions. So chemical reactions take place when the two solutions are mixed. So just like you saw in lab 3, you were taking different solutions and mixing them together and seeing whether or not chemical reaction occurred, right? So in order to be able to do stoichiometric calculations with solutions chemistry, we need to know the nature of the reaction and the amount of chemicals present. So for solutions, the amount of chemicals is expressed as concentration. So in the next video, we're going to talk a lot about what concentration means and how you calculate the concentration of a solution.